When it comes to the weather, even scientists have been hard-pressed to predict it lately. Unexpected snowstorms and tornadoes are plaguing the most unlikely regions, raising concern that not enough is being done to combat climate change. Denise Bolotsky reports from the Black Sea city of Sochi.
Dozens of people trapped in a snowstorm in the Ossetian mountains. Even here, where avalanches are fairly frequent, such severe weather at this time of year is very rare. Drivers are desperately trying to clear the snowbanks. For many, it's a matter of survival.
We've been here for 2 nights already. My 2 kids are in the car, freezing. I've got to get them out.
On the other side of the Caucasus Mountains, in the coastal city of Sochi, panic spreads among tourists as powerful tornadoes form one by one above the sea and over the city. Despite tornado warnings, many people are caught by surprise. From satellites to seaweed, gauges to groundhogs, there are literally dozens of ways to predict the weather, and all with varying degrees of success. But with so many factors affecting what's happening above our heads, most forecasts are either hit or miss. You just never know what's going to happen from one minute to the next. It never rains, but it pours. So besides tornadoes, the Black Sea coast has recently been hit by flash floods and hailstorms. This footage from the coastal towns of Tuapse and Adler shows how dangerous they can be. Local meteorologists say the hail is getting bigger every year, and the annual number of natural disasters is sky high.
During the past few years, the number of severe weather cases has increased 1.5 times. Only a couple of years ago, there were 250 disasters per year in our region, and now we are well beyond 400.
So what is it that makes Mother Nature go wild? Billions of dollars are being spent on weather research worldwide, and there are still more questions than answers. Most experts believe that global warming is to blame. World leaders discuss environmental problems, and governments concentrate on minimizing greenhouse gas emissions. However, some scientists, like Yulia Dobrolubova, say that the term global warming itself does not reflect the full picture.
On average, it has become 1.74 degrees warmer during the past century. In Russia, the warming factor is plus 1.29 degrees Celsius. But at the same time, there are regions where we see opposite trends. It's getting colder there. Besides temperature, there are also other changes in the climate, in the oceans, in the way rivers flow, in precipitation, the melting of glaciers, and the condition of the frozen earth.
It seems that at this point, no one can make an accurate long-term forecast. Some scientists are convinced that in just 3 decades, the Arctic ice will melt fully by September every year. Others say they're sure that the warming will be followed by severe cold. But no matter what climate swings we may expect, warmer or colder, and whether science will learn to predict them well ahead of time, there's always hope that after the rain, fair weather will follow. Denise Bolotsky, RT.